Hey guys, this is my new bike check. Just got this bike put together last night. Brand new 2010 Subrosa Villicus frame, 21-inch top tube in purple with the green splatter. Going up to the top, we got the Subrosa Pandora bars, 28 wide, 8-inch rise. Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips. Shadow Conspiracy Nylon bar ends. Shadow Conspiracy strike stem. Got the animal headset integrated. Got the limited edition Pandora forks, match the frame and the bars. Front wheel, we got the Shadow Raptor front hub with Shadow hub guard laced to the Shadow Orbis rim. Stolen Thermalite plastic peg. And moving back, got the Subrosa Zombieland pivotal seat, animal pivotal seat post. We got the Bitchin bottom bracket with the Snafu Mayweather cranks. Pretty light, pretty nice. DK PC pedals. For the sprocket, we got the Shadow Scream 28 tooth. Got the black Shadow Interlock V2 chain going back to the Shadow Raptor hub 9 tooth. Laced to the Sun Rhynolite rim. Wrapped in the Maxxis Miracle tire, 20 by 2.1, and the front tire is a Demolition Momentum 20 by 2.35, and I think the total bike weighs about 22 pounds, so it's pretty light. Pretty expensive. It was like $1,300, but took me about 6 months to build. I'm pretty excited. So, yep, that's my bike.